Hey folks, welcome to Build Fly Go. So this house has become pretty much all airplane parts boxes, but we received this one just recently from Crow Harnesses. Crow makes the seatbelts, the harnesses that we used in our RV-10, in our RV-9, and we really like them. We used them, I guess we've got 850 hours on them right now, on the one on the 9. We flew them to Brazil. We've flown them all over, right? They're really comfortable. We really like them. They're not expensive. They're a fair price. You should definitely compare prices between the different vendors for harnesses. We found that these are more cost effective. We really like them. And we decided to go with them again to cut that short. Full disclosure, we did send them some pictures of our using the harnesses in the RV-9 to them. They used them on their website, and we mentioned we're building another airplane, and they offered to give us a set of harnesses, so we're very thankful. Thank you, Crow. So here we go. So it's sort of what you would expect, right? Like, it's a pair of seat belts. Nice pads for the shoulder harnesses, really pretty, these are new. We don't have these on the 9, sort of these nice anodized black. Look at that, so it's sort of, oh, nice. Oh yeah, and all the fittings are nice and, oh, very nice. Anyway, sorry, so this is actually the first time I'm opening this box. So Crow makes, I believe their main business is making harnesses for racing cars. So they have, they've been in business for a long time doing that, and they expanded to doing airplane harnesses many years back, definitely before we bought them for the first time. So a couple of upgrades, right? So you can get a bunch of different colors. Just check their website. The pads are, I think they're optional. I don't consider them optional. These pads are incredibly comfortable. Definitely get the pads. I believe getting the different colors are optional. The black anodized adjusters, and you can get the cam system or the regular belt system. I find that this cam system is really comfortable, really easy to use, and I recommend it. It's what we have in the 9, and I asked for the same thing this time around. It's a 5-point, right? So the 2 for the shoulder harnesses, the 2 for the lap belt, and then the crotch strap. There's really not a ton to say, right? Like, if they're nice harnesses, they're not expensive, they're a good price, and they work. So, recommended. Definitely on my... When people ask me which harnesses I use, even before they sent me these, these are the ones that we purchased and paid full price for on the RV-9, and we were going to purchase them and pay full price for them again. And thanks to Crow for sending us a set. All right, thanks folks. We'll see you soon.